If you're looking to use Top Echelon for recruitment, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to get started and maximize the software's potential for streamlining your recruiting process. Stay tuned until the end because I've got an exclusive offer just for you, something that'll help you get started with Top Echelon for free and with bonuses. Top Echelon is a powerful recruitment tool designed to help recruitment agencies and individual recruiters collaborate more effectively, streamline their processes, and access a vast network of potential candidates. It offers features like job order management, candidate tracking, and advanced search capabilities all in one platform. And best of all, it integrates seamlessly with other software, which is essential if you want to optimize your recruitment operations. The first step in using Top Echelon for recruitment is setting up your account. Once you sign up, you'll be able to access the system right away. From there, you can create job orders, start adding candidates to your database, and begin searching for potential hires. The system allows you to input specific search criteria to find candidates that meet your exact needs. It's a great way to save time compared to traditional search methods. Next, you'll want to make the most of Top Echelon's resume search feature. You can search the network of available resumes based on specific keywords, job titles, or experience levels. The platform's filtering options ensure that you only get the most relevant resumes, which speeds up your recruitment process significantly. Instead of manually sifting through endless resumes, Top Echelon does the heavy lifting for you. Another great feature is the candidate tracking system. You can keep track of candidates through every step of the process, from initial contact to interview and placement. This allows you to stay organized and ensures that no potential hire falls through the cracks. You can also add notes, set reminders, and even communicate with candidates directly through the platform. One of the key features that sets Top Echelon apart is its recruitment network. The platform allows recruiters to collaborate with others in the industry. You can easily share job orders and candidates, which expands your reach and increases the likelihood of finding the perfect candidate for your clients. Collaboration is a major advantage, especially for niche positions where your own network may not have all the answers. To get the best out of Top Echelon, take advantage of its advanced reporting tools. These tools give you insights into your recruitment process, allowing you to analyze your performance and make data-driven decisions. Whether you're tracking how many candidates you've placed or which job orders are taking the longest, these reports help you identify areas for improvement. What's even better is that you can try Top Echelon for free through the first link below. Not only do you get access to the software, but you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses to maximize your experience. With this extended free trial, you can explore all the features and see how they work for you without any commitment. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Top Echelon for recruitment. It's an incredibly powerful tool that can save you time, help you find better candidates, and improve your recruitment process overall. Make sure you check out the link in the description to get your exclusive free trial and bonus today. Don't miss out. Start using Top Echelon now and take your recruitment game to the next level.